Transplant is a very big thing. But right now, it has become very common, and it has taken out the fear from the minds of the people. So they are more keen on getting to know about this and getting through the procedure. Hi, my name is Saurabh Mane. Originally, I am from Mumbai. I've been living in Pune for the past 4 years. I had an issue with receding hairline and hair fall. Cousin of mine, he recommended me this clinic, and I got consulted by Dr. Kiran. Then he advised me to go for a transplant. I got around 3200 grafts approximately, and after that it's been around 10 months. I got my transplant in last September 2022. It's been around 10 months now, and as you can see, the hair is back and boosts my confidence as well, and I'm very happy with the results. Overall, everything has been good. The doctors and the staff over here, they are very helpful. They guided me with everything. Even after the procedure, I used to get constant calls for follow-ups. They would advise me for any follow-up sessions or PRP sessions. Even if I forget about that, sometimes the staff would make sure, the backend team, it's very good. They would make sure that I go through it, and that has helped me with the whole journey. And definitely, actually, I have recommended a couple of my friends who got their transplant done over here, and everyone is very happy to see the results. So that has given them a confidence as well, that even they can go through it. Initially, it was seen that hair transplant is a very big thing, but right now it has become very common, and it has taken out the fear from the minds of the people. So they are more keen on getting to know about this and getting through the procedure. So Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic is based in around 10 to 12 cities across India. I got my procedure done in Pune, and you can get it done from wherever city which is nearest to your place. The procedure is not that complicated. It's pretty simple, and you can travel even after your procedure, so that makes things easier.